Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a drop down list from another sheet inside Excel. Here you can see I have a sheet here. I have the option to select my cities and also some yes no question, and here on the second sheet I have the list that I want to include inside this drop down menu. Here you can see this is the option that is available here. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. So first of all, you just create a new Excel sheet and do all the things or all the data that you have, you just input it. On the second sheet you need to make a list that you want to use as your data. So here is my list that I have some city name from our country, and now I just go to the cell where I want to just add the list, drop down list inside my sheet. So in my case I am just select this cell, and now from here go to data, and from here you just need to go to this data validation. Here you can see this first option, data validation. Just click on it again. From here you will get some option, this validation criteria that you need to select. From here we can just select this allow button, and then from here you just go to list option. This will create a drop down list. Now we need to define the source, I mean which data we are going to use inside this list. For my example, I just click on this icon, it will come here. Now go to your next sheet that you want to include the data, and just select from all the cell that you want to include as an option. As you can see, when you select it, it will automatically update all the details. Now once you are done, you just click or press enter from your keyboard, and it will automatically come to your source. That's it. Now if I just press OK, now you can see I have this drop down menu beside my option bar here. So you can now select any option that you want to insert here in this cell as option from this second sheet. And if you change anything, like if I just change it to Kumilla, now if I just go back here sheet, as you can see it will automatically change the data from the different sheet. So this is very helpful. And there is another simple method, you can just add it manually. That will be very easy. If you have just simple question like yes no question, that you can just select that cell, and from here just go to data validation again, and from here select the list. Now you can just define it by writing on this option. So I just write yes and just separate it with a separator, comma, and then no. That's it. Now you can click OK. Now you can see you have this option to yes no, and this will be our main target to get the drop down list from another sheet. So I hope this video helped and you can know how you can just create a Excel drop down list from another sheet. If this video helped, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys on the next video.